Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Andreas. In this short video I will show you how you can set the home page for your WordPress website. If you have a new WordPress website, no page has been set as a home page. Okay, if you go now to the visit the site, you see that it is the domain here, but here it says recent posts. There is no page which is set as a home page. We have to choose which page will be the home page. How to do this? First of all, we have to create some pages. I have created some pages here just for the tutorial. So we have the home page, about us and contact us. So let's say we want to set the home page as the home page of our website. So when somebody visits our URL, our domain name, which page will see? This will be the home page. Okay, so to do this, you go to the settings and then you go to reading. And here you see an option. It says your home page displays. There are two options. Your latest posts, which is actually right now. If you go here, you see recent posts, or a static page. Select below. We have to choose this, a static page, select below, and now we have options to choose. For the home page, we select, and on the drop-down menu, it will show us all the pages we have available. We choose the home page, or whatever we want, and for the posts page, we leave it as it is, okay? And then what you have to do is just go click Save Changes. Very good. Now if you go to the home page and refresh, we will see that it's changed now and the home page has been set as a home page. Before you leave, 1 second. If you want to get your own e-learning website preloaded with 250 courses that you can sell and keep 100% of the profits for yourself, or your own digital store preloaded with 265 ebooks that you can sell and keep the profits for yourself, click the link below in the description to get more info and get yours today. Or if you want to know what is my favorite way to create passive income from affiliate marketing, then also in the description below there is a link you can click and join for free today. And if this video gave you value, then make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel so you can see more video about WordPress and about make money online. See you in another video. Bye bye.